Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the power seat fuse is located, if your power seat doesn't work, always check that fuse first. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the power seat fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will guys demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. We have multiple fuse boxes, but today we work in a fuse box that's actually hidden. What you will need to do guys, okay, we will need to open the driver door. Once you do that, if you come on the driver's side guys, okay, the main interior fuse box is on the left side under the dash. If you look on the bottom of the dash, you will see that you have a one white cover like this one, and if you remove it, that's the interior fuse box. But the other one is attached to this one. We'll explain about that in just a second. Let's just first quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now on the front side, that's towards the bottom side of the dash, on the front side of that guys, okay, fuse box, if you look that way, okay, you will be under that panel. If you look there, okay, that's the bottom, that's where the interior fuse box fuses are located, right here. And if you see on the bottom, on the top side facing the driver guys, you have two fuses. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. And here guys, the fuse that you need to check is that fuse that's known as fuse number 1 for that fuse box here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you next time.